Anna wakes up on a sunny Saturday morning. She feels happy and wants to do something special. But what will she do today? Anna loves the park near her house. It is big and green. She decides to go there. First, Anna eats a simple breakfast. She has toast and orange juice. Then, she packs a small bag. She puts in a book, a water bottle, and some cookies. Anna leaves her house and walks to the park. The park is not far. After 10 minutes, she arrives. The park is full of people. They are walking, talking, and playing. Anna sees children laughing and people riding bikes. She feels a soft breeze and hears birds singing. Anna finds a nice spot under a big tree. She sits on the grass. The ground is cool and soft. Anna takes out her book and begins to read. The story is interesting. She feels calm and relaxed. After a while, Anna looks up. She sees a little dog running. The dog is happy and wagging its tail. The dog runs to Anna and sits beside her. Anna laughs. She pets the dog's head. The dog's fur is soft. A woman walks over to Anna. She is the dog's owner. "Hello," she says with a smile. "His name is Max." Anna smiles back. "Hi, Max," she says. Anna and the woman talk for a little while. They talk about the weather and the park. Anna feels happy to make a new friend. As the sun begins to set, Anna decides it is time to go home. She packs her bag and waves goodbye to the woman and Max. Walking home, Anna feels peaceful. She thinks about her day. She is glad she went to the park. Anna knows she will go again another day. Her heart feels light and she smiles all the way home.